Wodi gengo, wodi kamre, wodi kero, wodi karre, wodi tikka, wodi gudda, wodi fira, wodi sodda, wodi dida kan nabira, wodi boda kan nadura, wodi uta, wodi wayu, wodi gota, wodi hayu, wodi nyatan, kanan gantan, hundi kesan akam jirtan, nuf jirata, wodi dabas, wodi parti, wodi wados, wodi arti, jasaf jatin, wodi arri, wodi gabra, wodi garri, wodi eba kanekistan. What is a back and episton? What will look at Welliston? What importing, exporting, and a one what is sporting? What is Tatan? What is Fitan? What is Jatan? What is Jigtan? What Agatan, Kangasistan, Kambaratan, Kambasistan? What is it? Kankurtan? What is Istan, Kankurtan? What is Ada? What is Amaya? What is Yala? What is Faya? Ever of current in Manja, what is Ule? What is Kawe? What is Baru Kankalama? What is Toke? What is Lama? What is food, what is food, what is dule, what is dutan, what is AC, what is sheka, what is hayu, what is beka? Jaba kesan ajay facha, jaba kesan jabe facha, beka hayu, nugositan, what is gocha, nugositan, nuf jirata, kanong kaya jira jechun, wang abjani itarjoma, what is lamif gurman tanis, asinun duga de toma. What is api, what is keso, what is ala, what is keso, Kangamana, Kangamasi, Kambarana, Kambarasi, diaspora, Wari Ada, Wari Furtu, Wari Fala, Wari Jabar Gatan, Kansamer and Baratan, Wari Api, Wari Lafo, Wari Api, Wari Lafo, Wari Gurti, Wari Kofo, Wari Mila,